Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, my name is Karishma Guge and I am a diploma holder with a certified soft skills trainer. I've done my train the trainer diploma and that's how I'm here to train you on soft skills today. Today it's a very interesting subject. It's called communication skills. We all know about communication skills, it's not really new, but what we don't know is what's the difference between talking and communicating. So today we are going to learn a lot of topics on communication skills. They're very interesting because until now we've always been talking and blabbing all the time. But today we are really going to get introduced to what is the difference between talking and between communication. So there are a lot of topics. I would just run you through these topics. Majorly, of course, the definition of communication. What is communication really? And then what are the concepts, what are the elements of communication skills. We are also going to talk about the major objectives and importance of communication skills. Also, we'll cover up certain barriers which do not allow us to talk in a certain way or a certain format. So we're going to cover up all the barriers which leads to us not getting into correct mode of communication. Of course, we will also talk about how to overcome these barriers. Because without that, we cannot really understand how to get through with our communication skills issues. After which, I will also help you out to understand what are verbal communication skills and what is non-verbal communication skills. There are a lot of types of verbal and non-verbal communications. There are various verbal and non-verbal communications. Now, there are a lot of types of these verbal and non-verbal communication as well. I'm going to run you through all these types of various verbal communications and non-verbal communications. We would now come to know today why can we actually understand people only by looking at them or by sensing them or by knowing their body language or what they really are talking only by their expressions, facial expressions, eye expressions. What are all these kind of communication? This is also called a particular kind of communication which is non-verbal. Verbal is definitely what we speak, but again, there are different types of verbal communications involved. So we are all going to talk about all this in this entire session of communication skills. After which I will also cover up certain elements of proximity, which is the distance between the speaker and the listener. So which is all very important for our today's session. And I think it's very important for us to first of all understand why do we really require all these skills. Now, when we go towards a crowd of maybe a lot of people around, 200 people around, every personality is different. Every person is different. And we really need to understand how to get in touch with each and every one in the world. It's not difficult, but of course it's not impossible. And it is very important for us to know what kind of communication are we getting into. So friends, let's move on with the actual topic of communication skills and let me run you through different concepts of getting into communications. Okay, thank you.